Ciao Violinisti, so we're going to do Jingle Bells, well-known little song. Let's have our usual analysis. So we've got the treble clef, we've got two sharps, we've got an F sharp and C sharp. And then we have a C, which means common time, which means 4/4 basically. 4/4, 4 crotchets in every bar. So you can write either C or you can write 4/4, it's the same thing, right? And do we have any quavers? No. So we don't have to worry about the thing. We can put the metronome at the crotchet, and so we can count 4 in every bar. Okay, I think we're ready to go. Enjoy it, stay light, use lots and lots of bow as usual, and don't go too fast. Okay, I'm setting at 60, then it's up to you. Yeah, let's get started.